Okay, as with every unit, you guys have the vocabulary. Vocabulary is pretty straightforward with this one, but I wanted to cover it anyways, just to kind of sharpen you guys up in case you may have forgot some of this. So, projectile, let's start with that. This is something that's moving, right? Something that's flying through the air. That's what it is. It's a projectile. It could be a rock, it could be a meteor, whatever. Okay? Acceleration. Acceleration is the one I really wanted to cover because a lot of people are confused about acceleration because when you first come into physics, you think acceleration is just when I crank down on the gas pedal in a car or in whatever, you know. And yes, that's true, but acceleration is also when you push the brake of a car. So acceleration, this one's very important. This just means change in your velocity or speed, right? So when an object is speeding up, obviously it has a positive acceleration. If it's slowing down, it can have a negative acceleration, right? Or you could just say, not necessarily even negative. Yes, negative, but it could be like it's accelerating the opposite direction. So that's what we usually associate with negative, right? So just generally know that acceleration means changing speed, right? Okay, horizontal. Horizontal equals x-axis, right? Horizontal is x-axis. So in other words, left to right or whatever, flat, horizontal, horizon, whatever you want to use to memorize that. Vertical is like, yo, what's your vertical, right? Up and down, which is the y-axis, right? So when we're talking about the y displacement, we're talking about the vertical displacement. So from whatever point A at the top to, you know, let's say something falls here, well, this is the y displacement. Whereas the x displacement would be like associated with how far it went, right? Horizontally. So that's your vocab. It shouldn't be too hard. If you guys got any questions, let me know.